Today on Crawl, Walk, Strum, I'm going to show you how to play a classical song for beginner guitar. Let's strum.
You were starting to crawl, and then you wanted to walk, and then you wanted to rock, so you picked up your guitar, and then you started to strum. Crawl, walk, strum.
Hey friendly strummers, I'm MAXXFIELD, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to stage dive the subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Crawl, Walk, Strum is a guitar learning method that I've been developing over the past 20 years with hundreds of my students to take you from the first strum to the big show. Let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to play Ode to Joy from Symphony No. 9 by Ludwig van Beethoven. I'm sure you've heard this song many times. It's one of the most famous pieces of classical music that is out there. It's survived hundreds of years of listening. This song is really fun and easy on the guitar, and it's one of the first songs I teach anybody who wants to learn. This song is a perfect example of how something fairly simple, that's just a bunch of quarter notes with a couple half notes here or there, can make for a very memorable and catchy melody. Before we start this song, let's take a quick look at it and analyze what we're going to need to watch out for. As you can see, this song only uses string 1 and string 2. Now fret number wise, we see zeros, ones, and threes. We know that 0 means it's just an open string and we don't have to fret anything. For the ones, I'm going to use finger 1, and for the threes, I'm going to use finger 3. Of course, you might notice there aren't any 2s in this song, so we're really only going to be using finger 1 and finger 3. So in the first bar of this song, we get 4 quarter notes. We get on string number 1 an open, another open, then we get fret number 1 on that string, and then fret number 3. Measure 2 stays on that same finger 3, fret 3, so don't lift it off, just play it again. Then we get fret 1 again, then we get fret 0. Now we get an important spot where we're going to switch to string number 2 with finger 3 on fret 3. The next 3 notes are also on string 2. We get finger 1, finger 3. Now we have to switch to string 1 again. Switching is always the trickiest parts of songs. So we get an open string 1, another one, and then we go back to string 2 for 2 more fret 3s. If we look at stave number 3, this is the trickiest stave in the song because it's quite a lot different from staves 1, 2, and 4. It starts on fret 3 on string number 2. Then we have to switch to string 1, open. Then we get fret 1 on string 2 again. Then fret 3 on string 2. Now we have to switch back to fret 1 on string 1. And an open string 1. Then fret 1, string 2, fret 3, string 2, switch to string 1 again, fret 1, open string 1, fret 3, string 2, fret 1, string 2, fret 3, string 2, and then fret 3, string 1. The last line of the song is just the same as the second stave of the song. We get another open, open, 1, 3, 3, 1, open, all on string 1 before switching to string 2 for a 3, 1, 1, 3, back to string 1 for an open, and then back to string 2 for our final 3 notes of 3, 1, 1. Let's try playing along with that now. 2, 3, 4. that's it. So before you really get into playing that, I would really recommend going line by line or stave by stave and getting each one of those really good. Focusing especially on any time you have to switch strings. We really want the timing of each note to be the same durations, and we want it to be smooth when we switch strings so no one can hear us fumbling around. That wraps up this episode of Crawl, Walk, Strum. I hope you enjoyed learning that wonderful song by Beethoven called Ode to Joy. If you got value out of this lesson, don't forget to pick slide the like and stage dive the subscribe so you don't miss a thing. If you have any questions or comments or ideas for future lessons, leave them down below. Till next time.